My name is Johnny Bialik. I'm the General Manager of Black Forest Technik in Cary, North Carolina. We specialize in European automotive repair. Our customers rave about Shopmonkey's usability. When it comes to sending estimates from Shopmonkey to our clients, they have loved it to the nth degree. They absolutely rave about the transparency and the ease of approving work and declining work. My favorite feature of Shopmonkey is absolutely the inspections, being able to send customers information and photographs of what's going on in their car for complete transparency of what's going on with their repairs or their diagnostics that's needed for each vehicle. Shopmonkey has helped the technicians be able to communicate what's going on with a customer's vehicle by putting documentation notes and information, including pictures, into the Shopmonkey ROs. Shopmonkey has made it really easy to come back and review any ROs to show any kind of online approvals, decline, and communications with the customer, because everything is saved and documented over time. I would recommend Shopmonkey to other shops. It makes it very easy for me to do my job.